Let me show you a quick fingerprint sensor test on the Google Pixel 9. And on my smartphone I don't have any foil or the tempered glass, because as you know there's some kind of the issue when you apply the tempered glass. So I can show you how it works. In my case, I'm gonna unlock it a few times from this locked screen and from the turn off screen. Okay, now go for the turn off screen. But we actually cannot do this, so I will try to quickly turn on the always on display bit, because it actually shows the information. There we go. And now let's find out. Yeah, we can find it here. Okay, it's not showing all the time, but that's so strange. As you can see, we've got some kind of the animation when we try to do this. But yeah, but the sensor works fine. It's definitely not the fastest sensor that you can find on the phones, but it works nice. I mean, it works good, it's reliable, and I think that this is the most important thing about the sensors. So that's for this video. Thanks for watching.